Hello बच्चों, welcome to Crazy Arif class. Today we will study use of an. A is used before singular number words which begin with consonant. Box, a box, box box. Toys, a toys, toy toy. Cat, a cat, cat cat. Parrot, a parrot, parrot, parrot. Hat, a hat, hat. Boy, a boy, boy. Now N is used before singular number words which begin with any of vowel A, E, I, O, U. Elephant, an elephant, elephant, elephant. Umbrella, an umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. Orange, an orange, orange, orange. Iron, an iron, iron, iron. Egg, an egg, egg. Ox, an ox, ox. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like.